begging all the time for you to lay in the same bed as me. I'm begging all the time for us to be free of the dread. You say you're under stormy weather. Well, I'm asking, oh brother, are you suicide is not survival. Don't rival the love. Try to shove the pain aside to keep your sane life in your pride. I stomp out with glee. I know some days it feels like all it does is sway around in your mind. It slurs around with the drugs, and then the feelings that you're packing slugs in your rugs or your duffel bags, and you serialize Isaac as you stomp back with your dark colors. Well, enough, no more. Just kick it up, just kick it up, just knock it off. You're trying to follow something depressive and acting like you are, being so fucking progressive. I need to be with you, and if you're trying to take away my love, you're just shoving me overboard. I need you to be happy. You want me to smile, you need me to smile. Okay, I see that, but I have to say, don't be so self-centered. Are you acting so suicidal? Triumphs we've overcome anyone, but you're suicidal run. Don't try to only hide away. Let you stay happy. So just be happy with me. I'm not scared. Don't be. I'm just in a suicidal run. Just be happy. You can never stop the storm, but you can calm it. Because even a gust of wind is still weather. And you can't stop the weather because it's the elements. So don't lament yourself. Just calm yourself down and be capable of knowing when to kick up the wind. And how. You don't hurt yourself. Because that's how you hurt others. It's not right to hurt yourself. No one wants for the storm to stop. However, when the storm becomes hectically depressive, they want it to calm. Because everyone likes to watch as the weather becomes beautiful to watch and gaze. No one likes to watch when it's hectically depressive and horrifically cruel to itself.